Want to enhance your aquarium naturally? Today, we're highlighting the top 7 easy freshwater plants that are ideal for beginners. Hornwort is a fast-growing, low-maintenance plant that doesn't require rooting. Just let it float and watch it flourish. Java moss acts like nature's carpet. Attach it to rocks or wood, and it will gradually cover surfaces with its lush green texture. It's also great for shrimp and fry. Anubias is tough and slow-growing, featuring thick leaves that are resistant to nibbling. Simply tie it to decorations. No substrate is necessary. The Amazon sword is an excellent choice for the background of your aquarium. It thrives on root tabs and adds a lush jungle vibe to your tank. Java ferns do well in low light and can grow on rocks or wood. They are nearly indestructible, perfect for beginners. Water wisteria grows rapidly and helps manage algae by absorbing nutrients. Plus, it adds a beautiful, full appearance to your tank. Duckweed and similar floating plants provide shade and help control nutrients. Just keep in mind, they can grow quickly and may take over if not kept in check. These plants are not only easy to care for, they're also beautiful, natural, and contribute to a healthy environment for your fish.